What's up guys, welcome back. So today we're looking at the G29 Logitech steering wheel. So here I'll be showing you the unboxing, and later in the video I'll actually do a little drift test, if you want to call it that, in Car X. So yeah, I will probably be doing more videos in assetto corsa in the future, but yeah, here we go. Okay, so guys, here we're just going to quickly take it for a test drive in Car X Drift in my RX-7. Okay, cool, so let's quickly hop into first person view actually. Well, in this view is the best for me. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So excuse me, I'm still really new at this. Next thing is definitely a hydro hand pick. Oh no. Oh, it's sequential, you don't have to use the clutch. So the force feedback is actually really nice on this steering wheel, as you can see when it when it corrects. It's fairly nice. Let's go into first person view actually. Yeah, I suck in this view when I see the actual steering wheel. Then here I would usually handbrake. But yeah, I'm still getting used to it anyway. Oh no. I hope collisions is off for this game mode. Oh no. Ooh, that car sounds nice. Okay, so this was just a quick test, guys. And as you can see here in Car X Drift, it's actually working fairly well. If I can just like drive straight and not try to pull off in second. What did I do there? Oh no. I did go to first. Okay, well yeah, that's just a little demonstration for you guys. Hopefully the camera angles and everything work out, so I will probably definitely be making more of these videos in the future, including assetto corsa, I can't remember the name, but some revival project. It's like the highways of Japan. So I'll definitely be doing more videos. So if you liked the video, guys, stay tuned, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So cheers.